Yeah, so finally we have our final product, and as you can see what we have, it's really presentable to the eye. Our 3 pieces batteries, 10 kilowatt hour. As we said before, we have 30 kilowatt hour of storage. We have a 12 kilo kVA 3-phase SRNE inverter, and we have 27 panels of 590 JA bifacial. So the system is now up and running and ready for commissioning, and currently the battery percentage is around at 55%, and because all the 3 batteries are connected, you can see whatever we are getting on each battery is the same. Right now it's about 4 p.m. and we are generating about 5,500 watts of solar power at this time. We just finished the installation about 30 minutes ago, and our batteries were at around 46%, but already within 30 minutes we are at 55%. Means the system is big enough. And also you can see on the display of the inverter, or of the battery, sorry, it means right now with the current load of the client, this system is going to carry its loads for 94 hours and 35 minutes, meaning our client has gone off grid totally, and hopefully he won't be needing substitution power to run his loads. And over here we have a happy client. Labda atuambie kitu bana baba, unaonaje?
Thank you very much. You know, the first time we arrived here, I didn't think this is going to be such a nice work. Maybe if you can take me through, what's this for? You are still written in it, yes.
Here we have the protection devices for the solar. We have the surge protectors and the DC breaker. In case we have an issue on our panels over there, this is going to trip to avoid the inverter getting damaged.
Okay. Yeah. Now you told me I can monitor my usage, my power
through your phone.
Through my phone.
Yeah, using this gadget over here. It's connected to an app on your phone, so you can see what you're using, what your consumption is, or even if the system has a problem.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. This one, is it safe? I can see.
As you can see, it's very nice, the presentability. Wherever we have problems or where we can get a problem, we have enclosed it very well. So this is safe and we don't have any issue.
So now, like, as a layman, as I am, in case of anything, where am I supposed to touch? What am I supposed to touch? When am I supposed to call you as technicians?
So basically our system is monitored through our phones and also your phone, whereby if it has a problem we can sort it remotely on our side, and if the problem cannot be sorted remotely, then the inverter shows you the fault or the fault code at that given time. So when you inform us about that, that is when we're going to know if it's an error you can fix yourself or whether we'll need to send a technician over.
So you said, for example, I can see it's written 95 hours.
Yeah.
So that means I'm off grid.
Yeah, with your current load, these batteries, when they are at 56%, you can get 95 hours of power continuously. So it means when you get to 100, it will be about 200 hours without solar.
Ah, that's nice. I think I can now see the picture of value for my money.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.